When will the iPhone 9, iPhone SE2 come out? The concentration of rumors about the mythical iPhone 9 and iPhone 9 Plus is increasing. What is not reported in them? Unless for a long time, no one doubts that this model, or models, of the iPhone will definitely come out, and that this will happen in the coming days. April 15th, with the start of sales on April 22nd, or in May, but this is inevitable. The mythical iPhone 9, iPhone SE2 is evolving. The other day he did an upgrade. This endless uncertainty is a little annoying, but there are good things to it. The iPhone 9, iPhone SE2 has no unpleasant problems. No one writes about the fact that it shuts down accidentally, glitches, warms up, quickly discharges, or about something like that. Either nothing is said about him, or only good. They are waiting for him. Can you tell the difference between iPhone 9 and iPhone SE2? From a suspiciously accurate source, from an unknown person hiding behind a pseudonym. It became known that a senior management meeting was held at Apple on March 30th or 31, and a final decision was made about the iPhone 9 and iPhone 9 Plus, to present it to the public on April 15th, Wednesday, and sales start on April 22nd, also on Wednesday. The meeting was held virtually, protected to the maximum, but employees of a low rank would have known about the decisions taken at it. Someone had to bring them to ordinary performers. What two people know, a pig knows. In our case the number of initiates was, or would be, at least an order of magnitude greater. Wednesday's announcement is believable. There are doubts about the start of sales on Wednesday, but there are no fundamental objections. Why not? Take note. Yes, Urban Armor Gear brought cases for 4.7-inch iPhones to the warehouses of American retail chains and forbade them to be sold until April 5th. This is a fact. But this is not an argument for Apple. The reason why the device's output had to be postponed for 2 weeks could easily arise at the last moment. With exactly the same probability, the information about this meeting and the decisions taken at it may be someone's invention. It's too believable to be true.